सभी को राधे राधे। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं द लिविंग वर्ल्ड का पार्ट 4, जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे टेक्सोनॉमिक एड्स। हम करते से रीडिंग विदाउट टाइम वेस्टिंग। हम करते हैं स्टार्ट। टेक्सोनॉमिक एड्स, टेक्सोनॉमिक स्टडीज ऑफ वेरियस स्पीसीज ऑफ प्लांट, एनिमल एंड अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म आर यूजफुल इन एग्रीकल्चर, फॉरेस्ट्री, इंडस्ट्री एंड द जनरल in knowing our bioresources and their diversity. These studies would require correct classification and identification of organisms. Identification of organisms require intensive laboratory and field study. The collection of actual specimen of plant and animal species is essential and in the prime source of taxonomic study. These are also fundamental of studies and essential for training in systematics. It is used for classification of an organism, and the information gathered is also stored along with the specimen. In some cases, the specimen is preserved for future studies. Biologists have established certain procedures and techniques to store the prime preserve and information as well as specimens. Some of these explain to help you understand the uses of an AIDS. First, herbarium. Herbarium is a storehouse of collection plant specimen that is dried, pressed, and preserved of seed. Further, these seeds are arranged according to universally accepted system of classification. The specimen along with their description on herbarium seed become a storehouse or repository of future use. Figure 1.2. The herbarium sheet also carry a label providing information about the date and the place of collection, English, local and botanical name, families, collector name, etc. Herbarium also serve a quick referral system in taxonomical studies. Botanical garden. These specialized gardens have collection of living plants for reference. Plant species in the gardens are grown for identification purpose, and each plant is labeled identification in botanical scientific name and its family. The famous botanical garden are the Kew, England, Indian Botanical Garden, and Harvard, Indian, and National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, India. Now, museum. Biological museums are generally set up in education institutes such as schools and colleges. Museum has collection of preserved plant and animal species or specimens for study and reference. Specimens are preserved in the container for jar in a preservative solution. Plant and animal specimens may have also be preserved as dry specimen. Insects are preserved in insect box after collecting, killing and pinning. Large animal is birds and mammals are usually stuffed and preserved. Museums often have collection of skeleton and animals too. Zoological park. These are the places where wild animals are kept in a protected environment under human care and with enable to learn about the food habit and behavior. All animals in a zoo are provided as far as possible the conditions similar to the natural habitat. Children love to visiting the park, commonly called zoo. Figure 1.3, you can see the pictures of different zoos of India park. Now, key is another taxonomical aids used in identification of plant and animals based on the similarities and dissimilarities. The key are based on the contrasting character generally in a pair called couplet. It represents the choice made between two opposite options. The result in acceptance of only one and rejection of other. Each statement in the key called a lead. Separated taxonomical keys are required for each taxonomic categories, such as family, genus, and species. For identification purpose, keys are generally analytic in nature. Flora manual, monograph, and catalogus are some of the means of recording description. They are also help in correct identification. Flora contain the actual account of habitat and distribution of plant of the given area. This provide the index to the plant separate species found in a particular area. Manuals are useful in providing information for identification of name of species found in the area. Monographs contain information of any one taxon. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में जिसमें हम करेंगे समरी। राधे राधे।